In the frozen wastes at the bottom of the world, two men set their sights on a prize no human had ever claimed: the South Pole. It was the early 1900s, an age of daring exploration, national pride, and unspeakable hardship. Norway's Roald Amundsen and Britain's Falcon Scott, both experienced explorers, became unlikely rivals on the harshest stage imaginable. Scott's British expedition left for Antarctica in June 1910. His plan was classic Edwardian: high ideals, scientific goals, complex logistics, and a mix of horses, motor sledges, and humans to haul heavy loads. But there was a twist. Amundsen, planning at first to conquer the North Pole, abruptly changed course, keeping his real destination secret even from his own crew. By October 1911, both teams were racing toward the pole, but their approaches couldn't have been more different. Scott's party battled with unreliable motor sledges, malnourished horses, and punishing weather. Amundsen, in contrast, relied on a carefully honed polar playbook. Expert use of skis, dog sleds, and Inuit-inspired clothing, tools born from a lifetime in the Arctic's grip. His progress was swift, his logistics ruthless. He slaughtered dogs along the way to feed his team and the remaining dogs, a hard reality of survival in Antarctica. On December 14, 1911, after weeks of bitter cold, blinding blizzards and treacherous crevasses, Amundsen and 4 companions planted the Norwegian flag at the South Pole. They arrived more than a month before Scott. Meanwhile, Scott's struggling team pressed on, exhausted, frostbitten, suffering from scurvy and starvation. On January 17, 1912, 5 weary men finally reached the pole. There they found Amundsen's tent, a letter, and cold, hard proof that they were second. Devastated but determined, Scott's team turned north. But fate was unkind. Strong winds, plunging temperatures, and dwindling supplies hounded them relentlessly. One by one, Scott's men perished on the return journey. The last 3, Scott, Edward Wilson, and Henry Bowers, died together in a tent, just 11 miles from a life-saving depot. Their frozen bodies and final diaries were found months later, leaving behind a haunting record of endurance, despair, and heroic failure. Back home, Amundsen's triumph was clear, but not always celebrated. It was seen as efficient, even coldly pragmatic. Scott's death, on the other hand, inspired generations. His stoic courage cast a romantic, tragic glow over the British Empire's age of exploration. The race to the South Pole remains one of history's coldest contests, not just of geography, but philosophy. Amundsen championed adaptability, speed, and survival above all else. Scott embodied high ideals, sacrifice, and the pursuit of science, even in the face of doom. 2 men, 2 visions, one endless frozen desert, and the shadow of their footsteps stretched further than the pole itself. In the howling silence of Antarctica, their legacies endure, a reminder that history loves both the victors and the dreamers lost in the cold. Who would you have followed? The relentless tactician or the tragic idealist? Perhaps somewhere in the blizzard lies the true heart of discovery. Stay curious. More extraordinary chapters of world history await.